We all want to break through for us to design our future so we can have the kind of lifestyle that we want. You have ambitions you wish to accomplish, desires you wish to gratify, to bring your ambitions and desire to fulfillment. But why most of us are being carried away by those shiny objects or big promises out there, instead of observing those successful people, what they have in common, and start planning your own breakthrough so you will not anymore face any uncertainties in life. So before you start this breakthrough journey with me, I want you to understand that there is no easy push button to make you rich. If there is, we should be all millionaires and billionaires, right? So let me share with you my own breakthrough journey here after quitting my 8 to 5 job. This is my unforgettable $10 I made online. And for me, this is the hardest because your first breakthrough takes courage. But your next will be easier and easier and easier. Now, I am not showing you thousands of dollars here, but the journey to get there, because your first million will always be coming from your first dollar breakthrough. So once you hit your first million, then your second million will be easier. Why? Because you already developed a certain skill on how to do it. I remember way back then when I created my first product online on ClickBank, and I posted the same image in 2 different Facebook groups, and I got 2 different reactions. So, okay, let me call the first group as Group A. So when I posted this screenshot, I've got thumbs up, like, and motivational messages like "keep up the good work, Jen." While on the other group, I was bombarded by so many private messages asking me to show them how I do it. And then I realized that most of the people inside this Group B are desperate to make money without fully understand what's really behind the laws of how to accumulate wealth. I am sure that you want to know this simple 2-hour success morning ritual will help you in creating your own breakthrough, right? But before we dive into that, after years of trying, I eventually found the right pattern to make real money online. And I am really pleased to announce and excited that anybody can do this to generate an income on autopilot if done correctly. And it is important that you understand that this 2 simple success morning ritual won't work if you don't understand the law of money that I am about to share with you, because there are certain laws on how you can accumulate wealth. So are you ready? So first is, you should know how to control your expenditures. I used to be drowning in credit card debts because my husband and I used to borrow our lifestyle from credit card. I know exactly the feeling of living paycheck to paycheck, and I don't want to go back to that kind of lifestyle anymore. Okay? So remember that. First is, you should know how to control your expenditures without spending more than 9/10 of your earnings. Second, learn how to multiply your income, because your wealth is not about the savings you have. It is about the income you build. And third, once you already know how to start generating income, then guard your investment against loss. I lost tons of dollars in the stock market as well as trading options. Buying stock, this is a long-term play, and you should have the money that you are not willing to touch for long-term. And also, you should buy the company that is really wonderful and has meaning to you. So it is very painful if you lose your own hard-earned money. So what you will learn inside our journey together here is how you can develop your skill to earn, not to depend on anyone or anything when it comes to money making. So in the future, you can also buy companies. And the fourth law that you can accumulate wealth is, you need to protect your future income and multiply your earning fast. Okay? So if you understand the laws of wealth, you will acquire a surplus that will give you security for future days. These laws of money are universal and unchanging. You must understand how to deal with money because if you do, you will attract more of it and do the things that really matter to you and to have anything that you want in life. Without money, you cannot travel. You cannot buy your dream car. You cannot have fine dining and eat whatever you want without looking at the price. And without money, you cannot send your kids to a good school. And if you want to help others to make a difference in their lives, then you need money to do all these things. Money is plentiful for those who understand the simple laws that governs its acquisition. So success means accomplishment as the result of your efforts and abilities. And proper preparation is the key to success for us to design our future. I will not tell you to invest in properties because this will cost you tons of money to avail one. And for me, my return of investment only ranges from 5 to 7%. But today, I will show you how to create your own breakthrough to build your own rule business lifestyle that no one can take away from you and can ultimately help you increase your ability to earn. I didn't wake up one morning to see all these notifications that I made a sale from ClickBank. I made some preparations in order for me to generate these sales, and there is no secret to this. You do not want to go on trying products after product. You do not wish to go year after year in living paycheck to paycheck. I know the feeling of living with urgency because I've been there myself and it's horrible. So you don't want to work and work getting nowhere. So instead, you want to work smarter so you can end your money drama and your job uncertainties. Making money on your own rule is possible, awesome, and fun because you can make this income to keep flowing into your bank account whether you are on vacation or busy preparing for your next project. You can be liberal with your spending once you understand how to improve your situation to increase your wealth more rapidly than you spend. And I will also give you a simple worksheet that I use to track the ins and outs of my money. This is one of the discipline that you should develop if you want to create your own breakthrough. Because how would you know where you want to be in the next 5 or 10 years if you don't even know how much is the cost of your lifestyle? So let's say if I want to travel like once every quarter or twice every year, then I should know how much it will cost me to have that kind of lifestyle. Let's say I would be needing $20,000 to stay in a business class and let's say 4 to 5 star hotel. So from there, you have the goal to aim for. So how much each month that you need to earn, right? So everything that's good that will ever happen to your life is out of your comfort zone. My job is to have a bigger vision for your future. And I want to see your breakthrough moments. I transformed my life by having this little breakthrough at a time. I know you can do this too. You just need to make a decision. Are you ready to create your own breakthrough? Can you imagine what your life going to be in the next 3 years or 5 years if you start making this breakthrough step by step? I am a lot like you in the beginning. I have no clues at all how to make money from home. I don't even know how to build my mailing list. I don't know how to build a website. But if I don't take action 8 years back, I will not be in this position right now. I'd love my current lifestyle right now. But the thing that pushes me to get up from bed each morning is the impact that I am making to people. So if you are ready to break through, you can join me on this breakthrough journey. Okay? So after 8 years playing this online game, I finally found the right solution how you can do this yourself without confusion and overwhelm and to avoid all the mistakes that I've done. And once you apply this exact system that I am personally using, you can easily predict the outcome that you want. And here's the best part. You can apply this to whatever circumstances you may have. And even if you haven't sold any product before or you are not an expert on anything, you can apply this exact system for you to do what you love doing and get paid what you are worth. If you are watching this, you can identify first your situation. Are you a business owner? Or meaning you've got an existing business and you are looking to build and bring your business up to the next level? Or maybe you are a top professional who just got laid off and don't know what to do next. Or a practitioner like a dentist, chiropractor, or a good writer, and you want to start leveraging your time by automating your business online. Or maybe you are a total beginner who wants to prepare your future by quitting your job and start building your own role business lifestyle, and you don't know where and how to start. I love teaching people to break through, and I've transformed my own life by having this little breakthrough at a time. And now I just need to spend 1 to 2 hours in serving my client. So your wealth is like a tree. It grows from a tiny seed, and the first dollar you made is the seed from which your tree of wealth shall grow. So the sooner you plant that seed, the sooner your tree will grow. And when you nourish and water your tree with consistent action, the sooner you can harvest good fruits. So is this make sense? So in the next video, I will show you how to move forward. So make sure to stay tuned to my next video. So before we wrap up, I want you to scroll down. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me about your situation. Do you have an existing business? Or you just got fired? Or whatsoever? And what exactly do you want to improve in your current situation right now? What kind of breakthrough you are looking for? And you must be super clear on what and where you are getting next, so I can provide you not only the roadmap, not only the guidelines, but the accomplishment that you need each day to break through. So Jankua here, your breakthrough guide to design your future.